Retirement is an integral part of every person's life. It is a phase when you stop working and start living. Based on your decisions today, your life at retirement will go in one of these directions: financially secure, independent, health insured, great lifestyle, pursuing passion, or financially insecure, dependent on children, healthcare worries, compromised lifestyle, simple living. To embark on a great retired life, you need to plan right now. Here are some important considerations you must take into account. Is my family financially secure during my productive years? When should my retirement income start? How much will I need when I retire? Will the income grow every year? Will the income be tax-free? Well, here is a unique financial solution to answer all your concerns. Presenting Retire and Enjoy. A customized retirement plan that allows you to define your own saving pattern, adequately insures you so that your loved ones are financially secure, provides tax-free income from your desired age, provides growing income to beat the inflation, and provides lump sum for special events in your life. An example of 40 years old Akshay will help you understand the unique benefits of this exclusive solution. Akshay is a responsible bread earner of his family. He wants to keep his family protected by ensuring his life and aims at having tax-free income of Rs 20 lakhs per annum from age 60 to 75. He also wants his income to grow at 6% every year and needs a lump sum of Rs 1 crore at age 70 for travelling the world. This is how Retire and Enjoy solution will help him accomplish his dreams. Akshay pays an annual premium of Rs 8,49,870 for 20 years. His life cover starts at 2,27,61,550 and grows every year to Rs 4,27,47,300 in 20 years by virtue of bonus getting added every year. So his family is financially secure during his productive years. After 20 years, when he is 60, he will receive a tax-free income starting at Rs 20,19,316 and growing at the rate of 6% per annum till he reaches 75. His life is covered during the income period too. Additionally, he will also receive about Rs 1 crore when he is 70 to fulfill his dream of travelling the world. To understand how we can tailor the retirement plan exclusively for you, please reach out to me right now.